Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In this video, I am going to explain and code also what reverse of a given number using recursion in Java. Okay, so I am going to start it. You do practice also with me so that your coding skill will be improved. Okay, so and be with me. I will solve your every type of problem of the programming. Okay, here only. Okay, and just I'm going to open an online compiler for doing all this. Okay, this is already opened, so it is on the top and I'm going to select directly. So if you want to practice it, then you open an online compiler for listeners of the doing coding. And okay, so I am going to make an scanner class for taking user input. Okay, so I'm going to import it. Import java dot util dot util dot scanner. I'm going to write here what enter to enter a number, enter number for reverse it. I'm going to remove this ln so that cursor will be the next of print this text. Okay, enter cursor will be the next. Okay, I am going to make a object for what scanner class. Scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in. Okay, I am going to take that number and number is equals to sc dot next, and I am going to make a function which calculate reverse of the given number. Okay, so I am going to make it public static int. Why I am going to take int data type? Because it will return integer number. Okay, so I am going to write a name of the function reverse using recursion. Okay, I am going to take two parameters. First is integer and second one is the what reverse of that integer. So I am going to take that int number comma int reverse. Okay, if I'm going to write a base case and recursive call for the this reverse using recursion function. Okay, so this is the basic things we need to keep in mind while solving the recursive problem. What first should be the base case and second one is the recursive call. Okay, this is the heart of the uh, problem of the recursion. Okay, so I'm going to write it. So what is the base case of the reverse of the number? So if I get 0, then it will return directly 0, 1 then 1. So uh, I'm going to write that. Okay, if a number is equals to 0, then it need to return what you need to return reverse. Because I will take reverse parameter in main function. What 0 initially I will take 0, so it will return reverse. Okay, means it will print. If I enter 0, then it will print 0. Okay, if it is not, then you need to return what the you need to recursively call the function of the recursion. Okay, this is the function which calculate. Okay, so I'm going to write here. Okay, what call here reverse reverse using recursion. Reverse using recursion. Number को I need to divide number. I need to divide 10 and I need to multiply in reverse what with 10 and add also number and divided by 10. Okay, so this is extracting, sorry, it is removing the last digit of the given number, and this is extracting the last digit and appending in starting using multiplication in reverse by 10. Okay, so when I will draw it, then your this picture will be cleared in your mind. Okay, so I am going to store the result. Okay, int result is equals to what, reverse using recursion. Number I need to pass and 0 I need to pass, and I need to print simply system dot out dot print. What I need to write here, reverse of the number, sorry, is row. You need to enter string also. Okay, I need to add here what, result. So this is the code I am going to run it. Okay, come bro, come. I am going to write 78963. Okay, this should be 36987. Okay, I am going to enter another number. I'm going to enter 1 2 3 4 5. It should be what, 1 5 bro, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it should be 5. Oh, here one was not taken. Okay, so that the reverse of 2 3 4 5 is 5 4 3 2. Okay, so this code is perfectly working, and I'm going to enter here comment also, so that you understand better what it is. It is that base case, and what is that, what it is, recursive call. Okay, so that's all for today now. Okay, and be with me and keep coding and keep searching, keep thinking about the base case and recursive call of the function. Okay, and be with me. I will solve here every type of problem, uni what programming of the DSA or Java. Okay, so be with me, and thank you for guys. Have a nice day. Bye. I'm going to close.